What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm finally at CVS and I'm gonna be burning one of my accounts. Now it's so sad because I don't want to, but I kind of have to because I'm not getting any CRTs for that account and I kind of need CRTs to show you guys the deals. So if you guys didn't know, I have two CVS accounts that I've been using. I use one to do all the paper deals, you know, paper coupons and CRTs, and then I use the other account to show you guys the digital coupons with the CRTs. But one account is not receiving any CRTs, so I don't want to wait for it to start getting CRTs because it might take around 3 months to 6 months. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, just not toss the account, but I'm gonna put it away in like a little timeout. I have like a little baggie. It kind of looks like this one here, where I have all my old CVS accounts that I'm currently not using. So I'm gonna put the account that's not receiving any CRTs into that little baggie, and I went into that little baggie and I pulled out a whole new CVS account that I'm gonna be using. I did check it in the CVS app and this card is getting some really good CRTs. I checked it for this weekend. I was like, not even my main accounts, the accounts that I'm using right now, were receiving like the great CRTs that this account was using. So I'm pretty excited to see what CRTs, you know, we're gonna be getting and be using going forward with that account. Now for the account that I'm gonna be throwing away, I am gonna be using all these Extrabucks, not these two because they're cash cards. I'm actually gonna be cashing in the cash cards so that I can use the cash cards for the new account. That way I don't have to use that much, you know, spend that much money out of pocket to get Extrabucks. But I am gonna be getting rid of all of these Extrabucks today, and I am going to see what goodies I can get, you know, what items I need. I know that I need paper towels and some Gain, so I'm gonna be getting those items and then seeing what else I can get out of all of these Extrabucks. Okay guys, so first things first, I am going to be scanning my new account, not my new account, but the new account I'm gonna be using, into the coupon center, and let's see what CRTs we got. So I'm pretty excited because I haven't used this account, and normally when you don't use an account for a while, they start to give you some really good CRTs so you can start using it again. So I'm definitely going to be using this account because we got some really good CRTs in here. Now I'm going to scan my card one more time. Well, I'm going to scan it 2 more times. So here we go, some more CRTs. You guys can see, look, a $2 off 2 per sale. I've never received those in the other 2 accounts that I was using, so I know this account is going to have some really good CRTs. Now I'm going to scan the card. Well, I scanned the card one more time, and that should be it. These should be all the CRTs that are in my account. But if you check the app, there might be some more that didn't print out. So normally when you scan it a 4th time, it will say no coupons available. So I got all my CRTs for this new account I'm going to be using. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me coupon this week before, you know, the deals end using this account, or if I should just start fresh next week with, you know, this set of CRTs and then the new CRTs that I'll get Sunday. Okay guys, so I have about $78 in Extrabucks that I need to burn. I'm gonna be grabbing these floss. It's a super easy deal. I shared with saying with the toothpaste, but you can also do it with the floss or the toothbrushes. They're on sale for $2.99. There's a $3 off 2 digital coupon, and I'm gonna roll $3 in Extrabucks. Getting them back makes it completely free. Now in the cart, I also put some Gain in here. These are priced $4.94 this week. They are part of the spend 40 and get a $10 extra buck. So I'm going to be using some coupons for these as well. They're going to be a $1 off 1 for each, and I'm going to see. I haven't done the math yet. I'm going to do the math at the end and see how, you know, everything goes, because I'm going to try to pay 0 only tax. So with the Gain, I'm going to be grabbing some Bounty so I can get this $10 extra buck. Now I know I'm saying that I want to burn the Extrabucks and to get rid of it, but I'm still going to try to do like a few deals. That way, you know, it still comes out to like a decent price. And then to top it off, we are going to have the Easter clearance. So I'm going to be using the Extrabucks that I get from this for that Easter clearance. So quick update, I got 3 packs of Bounty paper towels. I got 4 Gain products. I know originally I said 5, but then I remembered the CVS system only takes 4 of the same like coupons for the detergent products. So I'm only going to be able to get 4 for this transaction. And then I got the floss right there. Now I'm also going to be getting some cat food, because like I said, we're here to get stuff that I need. So we're gonna get some cat food. I do have a $3 off 2 coupon for these, and these are buy 2 get $3. So next item I'm thinking about grabbing are these Swiffer wet jets. I have like a steamer mop that needs the refill pad, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these boxes because they're buy 1 get 1 50% off, and I really hope I'm at the mark that I need to spend, because I need to spend about $78, but that's not including coupons. So I'm still not quite there yet. I did the math and I'm about $20 away from that, so I'm gonna keep looking around the store and see what else I can grab. Okay guys, so I filled up the cart already. I added these Scrub Daddy dish scrubbers, and then I added this bug repellent. This is the Total Home brand, and when you spend $15 you get $5 back in Extrabucks for these. So I'm gonna go check out, hopefully be able to use all of my Extrabucks, and then I'm gonna be using like a few coupons for some of the stuff that I have here, and fingers crossed subtotal is like 0 and I only pay tax. All right guys, I'm in the car now. Everything went so great. My subtotal was $4.64, so not 0 like I hoped for, but I was kind of estimating that. But then I left one of these, so I was gonna leave the other one, but then I was like, wait, I really need some of these because I only have one right now at home. So I was like, okay, I'll just take one. But then the bigger items, I was like, if I leave it, I'm gonna be under. So I was like, I'd rather be just a little bit over than a lot under, because then the Extrabucks, it'll only deduct like a certain amount needed and then it'll go to waste. So that's why I had $4.64 subtotal, that beautiful California tax of $8. But I did the math, so you guys can see here the receipt. I used a whole ton of Extrabucks. I actually used $78 in Extrabucks. I used my paper coupons, one digital coupon, and then I did earn Extrabucks back. I earned a $3, a $5, another $3, and a $10. So I'm gonna be saving these Extrabucks for the end of the month when the Easter stuff goes on clearance. That way I can get some eggs and some other goodies for the kids for next year, and I won't have to, you know, spend anything out of pocket, because I'll just go ahead and use these Extrabucks for those for that clearance hunting. Now I did the math, since I not rolled, but you know, I spent $78 in Extrabucks and I only got this few back. I ended up spending $61.64 for everything in my cart, and that is 16 items, guys. So divided by 16, that's $3.85 per item on everything that I got. That's not how much I actually spent, but it's the Extrabucks that I spent. Now a lot of these Extrabucks are either, you know, from moneymaker deals, from like, you know, beauty bucks when I get a little bit more. And then I did have a $13 quarterly Extrabuck. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but that one's the one that you guys get. It's like every 3 months CVS gives you the quarterly Extrabucks back. If you guys spend $50, you get $1 back for every 50 that you spend. Now on this card I got 13, so that means I spent a lot at CVS from the month of December to April. So I know I spent a lot though, but that's because I did the clearance hunting on this account. So I normally do my clearance hunting on just one account, which is normally why I get so many quarterly Extrabucks back on this account. I did the Christmas clearance and the Valentine's Day clearance on this account, so that's why I got 13 back. But on my other account I only got it was like $2 back. So that's why I was like, the quarterly Extrabucks, I got to spend a whole $13 onto this. And then I also redeemed my cash card, so I now have a gift card that has $40 in it from the cash cards, which I am going to be using with my new account. I'm not sure if I want to do some deals this week or if I just want to start fresh next week. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, but that's pretty much all for this video, guys. I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, I know some of you have, you know, not been getting CRTs. It does happen. Luckily, you know me, I do have backup accounts, so I'm just gonna use one of my backup accounts and then, you know, throw away this one. But it sucks because I had to get rid of all these Extrabucks that, you know, I've been building up and all that. But I did get some items that I need, like the Swiffers, and then I definitely needed that bug repellent for the kids because outside is just crazy, especially now with the summer coming. So it's not a complete loss, but $3.85 per item is not what I would spend on bouncy paper towels, on Gain. Yeah, it's just, it wasn't ideal, but it had to be done because or else the Extrabucks would expire. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, on this account I actually had $5 in Extrabucks expire, and I think it might be more because I had to send some to card and I didn't have the paper anymore, and I think they expired as well. I think I lost about like $12 on this account in Extrabucks just because I wasn't using it anymore because of the CRTs. So it's a big bummer. We still make mistakes, it's okay. We are going to start over with this new account and hopefully everything goes great. So we'll see you guys in our next video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.